So this was a very challenging facial asymmetry deformity correction, which we used techniques working on the bone, working on the soft tissue and the muscle, also using alloplastic materials at the same time. So cutting the bone, osteotomy, shaving the bone, osteoplasty, using peak type materials and fixing it with screws. All of this has been done in one go. Chin, lower jaw, other side of the mandible, angle osteoplasty, genioplasty, work on the masseter muscle, buccal pad fat, malar contouring, augmentation of the cheek on the left side, and then the forehead, which involved pexi on the frontalis muscle with a bicoronal approach and also onlay over the frontal bone. So it took us over 7 hours, but we've done an entire reconstruction kind of. It's more of a reconstructive plastic surgery rather than a cosmetic plastic surgery. But yes, as you can see, there's no scar that's going to be visible, and the improvement is going to stay for life. It's still going to be some more time of healing, maybe a week more, but the first week has been really smooth. We're very excited, very happy for her.
Hello everyone, here we are with the patient seeking correction for her facial deformity, so as to say.
72 kg.
We've done reduction on the right side, angle osteoplasty, osteoplastic genioplasty. You can see that. Severe deformity, the entire lower third of the face. Post-operative surgery. We're going to show you what all was done for her. So we did work on the forehead. You can see the mirror, how you look.
Here we are with the patient seeking correction for her facial deformity, so as to say. It's a craniofacial deformity for her, and it's only on one side, if we can see, at the left side of her face. She has sought a lot of treatments before this. She has gone to various centers in the country seeking treatment for discolored skin. So if we see, she has a discoloration and depression over here, right at the corner of the mouth. She has a discoloration and depression on this, which is left side of the face, and also on the forehead, if we see. If we look very closely, we see that there are contours in the forehead. It's not in the same plane. So if we see, there is a prominence, so as to say, followed by depression in the midline, another prominence and a depression. So there are pits and grooves and hollowings and protuberances in the forehead. It's not in the same plane. Also, on the left side, if we see, her skin has got little discoloration right up till the neck. There's hollowing and grooving again on the left side. So if we see, this is a sort of a Peri-Romberg syndrome. So on the right side, the face looks uniform, and the left side there's depression and hollowing, which makes her face asymmetrical. It is going to be a long surgery by Dr. Richardson. Her scan has been taken. We have prepped her up for a bicoronal flap for the upper 1/3 and for an intraoral incision for the lower one. Let's see how it goes.
We've done augmented on the left side, alloplastic material used. We've done reduction on the right side, angle osteoplasty, osteoplastic genioplasty. And this is how she is right now. I'll show you the side view too. And then we're going to show you the pre-op. So you can see that. Severe deformity, the entire lower third of the face, middle third and also the upper third involved. We've already corrected the middle and the upper third and then changed the tube now. So we're going to show you some more views so you can understand the deformity and the correction. That's before. So you can obviously see the dimpling, the grooving, asymmetry, the protrusion, the lack of bone. And that's her right now. Yeah, there's still a small notching on the lip, but it's already taken us around 7 hours, the entire surgery. So we're going to keep that for the next time. You can see the improvement. Eye below. And look at that, eye below. Malar work done too, augmentation, buccal pad fat, removal on the right side, cheek contouring on the right side. Umpteen number of procedures. Post craniofacial surgery, we're going to show you what all was done for her. So we did work on the forehead, on the scalp, on the nasal base, on the upper jaw, on the lower jaw, chin, angle. So I'm just removing some of the attached hair. Thickness on the. All right. So one part of it is out. Open. It's all perfect. So I'm going to show you. So the major issues, you can see that there was a main issue on this part of the face, here a little bit, here a little bit. You can see the depression, the asymmetry, the grooving. There's still some swelling here, but the grooving, it's going to go off. And this swelling, look up. You can have a look. So this was a 7-hour long surgery that we did for her. And yeah, sorry. So whatever I do, a little bit of this hair. Wow. Now you can see the mirror, how you look. See the top. So many sutures. Can you see? So we've got all of these are sutures, okay? So we've used staples because we opened it from here to come to the forehead, yeah? Up to the nose. It's all healed very well. But we're not going to be removing these yet because this is just 7 days up. Okay, we're going to wait for a few more days.